What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Go ahead, down below, first link, enter yourself into a giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe and leave a comment. I'm getting old. It's time that we get rid of this muffler delete because my ears bleed every time I'm on the highway, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is today. And we're finally gonna take that exhaust that sticks out, that hit my dad in the head a couple times every time he's under there and he complains about it. We're gonna take that and we're gonna do the muffler, the we're gonna do the M performance mod today. So that's gonna sound really good. We're gonna gut the interior and reinstall it into the car. Let me show you guys what the car sounds like right now, and let's head off. It sounds absolutely nasty, but like I'm kinda fed up with a drone when I'm driving, so hopefully this eliminates that problem of mine today. Oh my god, that is why I want to change it. It's just too like it doesn't stop. It's annoying, and there's you hear that? There's plastic rattling all over my car. I always have to adjust something or like hold something down just not to hear the sound. It's really it's been a while. It's been it's like a year and a half now that I have it like this, and it's like a year and a half that I want to change it. So today's finally the day. I'm really excited.
Use it?
Yeah.
You should use it because this will make like all the exhaust flow into one side.
Yeah, you just gotta take this little nipple off.
This will like remove a bit of drone.
It'll what?
Remove some drone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. It sticks out so much.
That's as much in as you can put.
No, I know, but what I was thinking, this actual piece, I could cut it all around, so I could put it in deeper, you know? Or is it gonna be bad? Because then these grooves.
These have to go on the groove.
Yeah, I know, but those grooves you could just cut deeper, but
with more grooves. Well, I think like this is gonna be okay. It looks nice.
fuck? It's so much louder. What the fuck? I'm driving the car, I'm on the highway, I'm at 2000 RPM. Normally the whole car would be rattling, like all the plastic pieces in the car would be making noise right now. I could barely hear the car. So I guess from it being too loud now, it's kind of very quiet, but I mean, at least it's super drivable now. Like it doesn't bother me to drive the car, and like it doesn't hurt my ears, but it's louder on the outside. So those two those two resonators that replaced my mufflers before, I guess removed all the sound or something, and now the fact that there's a straight pipe through it, basically, it sounds meaner, but only from the outside. Before I was able to hear it even from the inside, but now I don't hear anything. I hear tires, and you know, I don't hear the muffler, which is weird. It's very quiet. I'm not used to it. Next day here. Now today we're gonna adjust the situation with those things sticking out like 3 inches more than they need to. So we're gonna cut off the flange that's in the back that we clamp on to the rest of the exhaust pipe. We're gonna cut that off, and then we're gonna recut new lines so that when you put the clamp, it could clamp down onto the exhaust, but I'll explain that later. Let's get the old ugly shit ones out of the car, unbolt those things and cut them up and put them back in the car, and that's it. Okay. Whoa, okay, so here's what I did so far. It looks clean, like it's enough that you can see the carbon fiber, but like it's not protruding so much that it's stupid. It's like perfect, as opposed to this one. I don't know why he left it like that. Like, look how it's stupid. The other one's so clean. It's like following the bumper. It's good. That's actually the most I could have cut anyway, so it kind of worked out, but anyways, that one's done. This one's next. Let's cut this up and mock them both up, and that's it. It's so much louder. What the fuck?
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle and until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety. Niggas want a ball, but don't play D. Damn, I'm asking the Lord for protection. Yeah, I'm counting this money while counting my blessings.